It was amazing. It was really nice to see His Holiness.
Okay.
And yes.
Yeah, you can continue, please.
No, I just wanted to say we are very grateful. He took time out to meet us.
And what did His Holiness Dalai Lama say to you?
That is between us,
You
but
can say little, please.
no, I think just his presence. We talked about various different things. He talked about Buddhism. He talked about being in India and being here. And we wanted to invite him before in the past when we've come. We've always invited him, but we came to seek his blessings and to just say hello to him.
Ma'am, how do you feel when you come to play in Dharamshala? Yesterday, your team and DC, the Delhi capital, had audience with His Holiness Dalai Lama, and this morning Rajasthan Royals. So how do you feel to play in Dharamshala?
Dharamshala is very special. I myself am from Himachal, so Dharamshala is very special. Coming here after 8 years is an emotional moment. I hope we do well here. The weather is great. We are very happy to be here, and it's always a pleasure and a blessing to be able to see His Holiness.
Thank you so much, ma'am.